Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Cash App for online purchases. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you want to buy stuff online with Cash App, what you have to do is first make sure you have enough balance on your Cash App account. Now, you need the Cash App card to properly pay for stuff online with your Cash App balance. You can find your Cash App card by selecting the card icon at the bottom left corner of the app. In there, you will see an image of your Cash card at the top, including your name and Visa. And also, you should immediately see the option Add Card to Apple Pay. You have many ways of paying for stuff online. First of all, you can simply add the card to Apple Pay and pay using Apple Pay, or alternatively, you can simply use the 16 digits on the card to process any purchases you make on any online stores that accept Visa debit cards. So all you have to do is properly set up your Cash App card through this menu. I hope I was able to help you. Please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching this video.